I am Pragya and I bring to you excerpts from the current issue of Outlook, titled India That is Bharat. It looks at the ongoing state elections as a critical test of unity between the Congress and its allies in the India coalition and whether the opposition combined can take on the might of the BJP in the elections 2024. The editorial intro is titled, It is Time to Vote. What would you like your country to be named? India or Bharat? The debate was triggered by the invites for the G20 dinner hosted by President Draupadi Murmu in the name of President of Bharat. Already, the NCERT has suggested changing the name India to Bharat in school textbooks. But what will such a change entail? Will it be accepted by all citizens? What will be the financial cost of such a change? Many experts believe that the union government got worked up by the emergence of the new opposition coalition with the acronym India, Indian National Developmental Inclusive Alliance, and more so, as state elections were round the corner, as well as the Lok Sabha elections in 2024, and tried to counter this alliance by suggesting Bharat as the country's official name. We examine the two issues emanating from this controversy: the India that is Bharat discourse, and more importantly, the ongoing elections in 5 states. For instance, in Madhya Pradesh, the key vote bank that both the BJP as well as the India Alliance is trying to covet is the Adivasi community. In Rajasthan, we look at how caste and community politics have always decided the winner. Though issues related to water, electricity, and roads are discussed after the elections, the winner always forgets these critical concerns. In Telangana, unemployment is a burning issue and thousands of people have been protesting on the streets. But it will not be easy for the India Alliance to take on a confident BJP. That's because the country's experience with such a rainbow coalition government has been bad. But many experts still believe that the India Alliance has been able to set the electoral tone to shape the political narrative. It remains to be seen whether India or Bharat will win the hearts of the people of the nation. For this and more, read the current issue of Outlook.